welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the recipe that I use to create most of my bath bombs. This is the main recipe that I use because I love the fizz to lather ratio. To me, it's perfect. And also these bath bombs are inspired by one of my favorite ice cream flavors, mint chocolate chip. So I wanted the rose petals to kind of take the place of chocolate chips in this recipe. So let's just jump right into the video and have fun making these bath bombs. And guys, I know that I'm moving along kind of fast, but rest assured I will definitely be leaving the recipe in the description. When using colorant, it's always best to add less at first because you can always add more if needed. Also, make sure you add wet ingredients a little bit at a time to prevent premature fizzing. Depending on the humidity in your area, you may or may not need to use a lot of witch hazel. So as you can see, the lather is nice and lush, but if you wanted to, you could always add less SLSA and achieve a less lather. It just depends on what you like, so you can always adjust to your liking. I really enjoyed these bath bombs in my bath water. They left my skin feeling moisturized and the room smelling so wonderful and full of peppermint. Thank you guys for joining me in this video, and catch me again. I have much more in store. Thanks. Bye.